What the hell just happened? They just shot the fucking president, man. What the fuck? Gear, Proraso white. And they got my Cataragus 7/8 razor here with a 10K Naniwa edge. Making this video for a friend of mine. He's interested in getting a finisher, so making this so he can see what he would expect from a 10K edge. He also mentioned he's interested in possibly doing some honing. I'll mention some people here that I like and why I like them. Everything that's natural, whetstones. Eric is your man. The Cajun blade. When it comes to synthetics, I really like Devin Jackson. I think he does a lot of good videos, going very in-depth into them. Everything that is curved stones and all that, Bill M. Greg Gallant is also excellent. Greg Gallant is very balanced. He knows a little bit of everything, and he'll learn from a professional sharpener. So Greg Gallant, Jack Stapper Shaves, also really great from South Africa. And I don't know who else I'm missing. Martin Test Shaves. He does some excellent work on restorations. So those are my guys and what I think they're really great at. Anyways, 7/8, 10K Naniwa. This is what you can expect. I just got a message yesterday from Eric. Some pictures of a bloodied up Trump. I said, what the hell is going on? And then he says, they just tried killing Trump. What the hell? So I went online, checked what was going on. Looked at the videos. Horrible, horrible Secret Service. Someone fucked up big time, in my opinion. Or someone wanted him dead. Obviously, the shooter wanted him dead. Here, across the grain. Just a very balanced edge. I think in one of the videos I saw from Keith Johnson, he mentions the 10K as when it comes to synthetics, what he likes, but he acknowledges that people like different things. A lot of people recommend the 12K. I got the 12K. I definitely enjoy the 10K way more than the 12K. I feel the difference. $12K is just a little bit harsh for my skin. Yeah, someone in the Secret Service messed up big time. The names of those sharpshooters that were in that building that got the shot. They should investigate them for sure. One thing I like to do is, and Bill mentioned this, a wet towel. I don't have a wet towel. This is to dry my fingers, but definitely having a wet face before putting your lather helps a lot. You can paint it. You can put it like that. I like putting my lips together, and here I'll do a close-up shot of this, but I like to doing this. And then just clean it up a bit. All right, so this is what you can expect from a 10K going against the grain. And those are long strokes. For me, the long strokes are a bit more natural. I'm pretty good at them compared to the small strokes. And I like using this big sponge here. I go around it. This is called the Fool's Pass. Let's see how we do. Here I have a little bit of trouble. Still not used to doing this. That one's always no problem. It's the sides that always get me. Some people kind of go like in an angle. I'm always a little scared because of that blade. If you mess up, your nose is gone. Okay. And I see some people hold it like this. Still a little bit uncomfortable to do the Fool's Pass. Yeah, that's why I like the
Hawk Tua.
That tastes like shit. That's why I like the 10K, man. It's like 9 times out of 10 I never get irritation when I use it. And the more you use a synthetic edge, like the more comfortable it would get. Sometimes we over hone our razors because we like that nice and crisp edge, and that's okay. But for someone who's just starting out, like we do a lot of honing videos in the space, but in reality, you don't need to hone a razor that often. It's just because we're having fun. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. Trying to kill a president thing. I don't know. That's a lot of weird stuff, man. A lot of weird stuff. I can't wait to see what Leon, also known or better known as Long Haul Tanker, has to say. I know I'm gonna have to get a cup of coffee and sit down and watch that one when it comes out. But I can't wait. Thanks for watching. I hope this was a good demonstration of what you can expect from a 10K. Maybe I should do a 12K, but I really don't enjoy that edge. There's people that do though. I always read and reply all your comments, so make sure you leave one in the comment section below. Today's topic is the assassination attempt. See you guys in the next one.